Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You will want to stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has categorized SoundHound AI as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.75. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 5.03% since we initially suggested purchasing SoundHound AI 9 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.56% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently rests at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $9.36 would indicate a slowing rate of decline and could signal the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 32.99% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between a decrease of 57.73% and 31.78%. Shifting to a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 51.51%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from an increase of 29.51% to 353.31% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $11.90 and $41.66. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for SoundHound AI Inc. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price decreased by 2.13% on the last day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, from $9.39 to $9.19. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.06%, with a day low of $9.16 and a day high of $9.44. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 22.53% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume declined on the last day, along with the stock price, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 15 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares bought and sold for approximately $134.18 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price is 63.21%, or $15.79, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding SoundHound AI Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol SOUN, have raised significant investor concerns and could impact the stock price both in the short term and long term. A flurry of announcements on the 5th of May, 2025, details multiple class action lawsuits being initiated against the company, alleging securities fraud and violations of the Securities Exchange Act. Investors who suffered financial losses between the 10th of May, 2024 and the 3rd of March, 2025 are being urged to join these actions before the critical deadline of the 27th of May, 2025. The heightened legal scrutiny could lead to increased volatility in SoundHound stock as market participants weigh the potential financial ramifications of these suits. In the short term, news regarding the lawsuits may trigger sell-offs among investors worried about the implications on the company's reputation and financial stability. Looking at the medium to long term, if these actions result in significant judgments against SoundHound, it could lead to substantial financial liabilities and further affect investor confidence. Conversely, if the company successfully defends itself, or the allegations do not hold substantial weight, there may be a recovery in stock performance after any initial downturn. All eyes will be on the upcoming first quarter earnings report, scheduled for the 8th of May, just days before the lawsuit's deadline, which could further influence investor sentiment and decision-making regarding SOUN's future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, August 9, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Friday, August 9, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN a grade of overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal emerges for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $9.39. Conversely, if the stock declines, it may find support from the long-term average at around $8.81. A breakthrough above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a fall below the long-term average would generate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, there are some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 5.65%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 6 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago, the long-term moving average, sell signal 56 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, displaying high volatility. With a broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 280 cents between its high and low, translating to a change of 3.06%. During the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often influenced by factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and increase the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projecting a loss of 7 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $10.82. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a noteworthy level to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.13. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March 2025, James Ming executed an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March 2025, James Ming executed another insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March 2025, Mohajir Kavan conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March 2025, Mohajir Kavan executed another insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March 2025, Sharon Nitesh executed an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 10.706. Overall, insiders have purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.69, reflecting a decrease of 5.45%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated presents several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more advisable to consider it as a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by 7 cents and begin trading at $9.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.